Okay, square of a sum, a plus b quantity squared is a plus b times the quantity a plus b. I just wanted to show you really the final step, is that's what you really want, the a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Because a lot of students mistakenly put, oh, the answer to that is a squared plus b squared. It's like, no, man, you have to actually FOIL it. But you can jump to this final form. And I'm going to show you with this example, x plus 3 quantity squared. So every time I see an a in the original, I'm going to put an x. So a squared instead of a squared, it'll be x squared. Instead of 2ab, it'll be 2. I still keep the 2. Instead of a, I'm going to put an x. Instead of b, I'm going to put a 3. I'm going to put a multiplied by 3 just so I know it's multiplication. Last thing is, oh, plus b squared. Every time I see a b, I'm going to put a 3. So I'm going to put plus 3 squared. So I just want to highlight what's going on to make it clear for you guys. So every time I see an a in the equation, I'm going to put an x because the a corresponds to the x. So I have an a right there in the final form. I'm going to put an x right here in my form. Next, every time I see a b, in that stuff, I'm going to put a 3 in mine. So I put a 3 here and a 3 here. So I just want to kind of color code what's going on here for you guys. Now, I do need to clean this up. X squared actually is cool as x squared. 2 times x times 3, I'm going to multiply the numbers. The 2 times 3, I get 6. That'll be 6x. And then 3 squared becomes 9. So you should be good to go. You'll see this in a lot of different forms in algebra. Like everything in math, it can get a little more complicated. But pay attention to the fundamentals, and you should be good.